Lawyers representing Johnny Depp and Amber Heard were unable to reach a last-minute settlement, setting the stage for what could be a lengthy and costly appeals process. During the final hearing, Amber's lawyer Elaine received a no-nonsense treatment from Judge Penny Askerit, and experts now have every reason to believe the veteran lawyer may have blown their chances of appeal. The strict judge showed Elaine early signs that not even an appeal would solve their problems, and that they should accept the verdict and move on. So what did Elaine do to anger the judge? Let's find out.
Hello, I am Chief Judge Penny Askerit of the Fairfax Circuit Court.
Fairfax County Court Judge Penny Askerit marked the end of the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard defamation trial on May 27th after handing over the deliberations to the jury. The defamation trial began on April 11th and continued for nearly 6 weeks in the Fairfax County Court in Virginia. As the closing arguments between Depp and Amber's respective teams came to an end, Judge Penny Askerit praised the attorneys for their efforts and professionalism throughout the trial. "I just want to thank all of you for the professionalism and your hard work during this case. It's much easier being a judge when you have excellent trial attorneys in front of you. It does make it easier. I also want to thank the attorneys and litigants for the kindness and the great demeanor you have shown my staff." The judge also applauded the courthouse staff and stenographer Judy for their hard work inside the courtroom.
Thank the attorneys and litigants for the kindness and the great demeanor you've shown to my staff and to the courthouse staff and to the deputies in the sheriff's department. I really appreciate it. It means a great deal to me, okay? And I also appreciate Judy because she's a rock star.
In response to her words of appreciation, the courtroom also praised the judge for their continued hard work during the trial. Amber's attorney, Elaine and Depp's lawyer, Benjamin Chu, also kept aside their professional differences and came together to thank Judge Penny Askerit.
There's one thing on which Ms. Bredehoft and we respectfully agree. Completely agree. Completely agree.
But Penny's gentle approach ended during their confirmation of charges when she blasted Elaine for attempting to question her verdict. Correspondent Agneta Levy, who was present at the proceedings, noted the judge was strict towards Elaine after her defamatory comments on the jury, a day after her client lost against Depp. Judge A is always no nonsense. Today she was even more so and seemed like she was having none of what EB was saying. I asked EB afterwards whether she would come outside since her camera was out there and whether she had anything to say. She politely said no, noted Levy. An Instagram account later shared one of the quotes from Judge Askerit where she rubbishes Elaine yet again. "I am the chief judge of the court, and that's how it goes," she said in regards to Elaine demanding a brief schedule when it does not exist. Elaine earlier branded the jury of being unfair and contaminated with social media chatter before deliberations. She made the admissions during her interview with the Today Show. There, she began by proposing the possibility of tampering with the outcome of the case and admitted jurors weren't supposed to be looking at social media. "They went home every night. They have families. Their families are on social media. We had a 10-day break in the middle because of the judicial conference. There is no way they couldn't have been influenced by it. It was horrible." Penny is said to have taken these assertions with the seriousness it deserves, and her input in the pending appeal, if there will be any, may affect everything for Amber's legal team. Who is this strict judge anyway? Here is what we know. Penny Askerit is a judge of the 19th Judicial Circuit Court in Virginia. She was elected by the Virginia General Assembly on February 25, 2015, and took office on July 1st. Penny is currently serving her 8-year term to expire on June 30th, 2023. She completed her undergraduate degree in criminal justice from Old Dominion University in 1988 and her Juris Doctor from the George Mason University School of Law in 1998. Following her graduation, Penny spent 4 years with the United States Marine Corps, where she was involved in active duty and reached the rank of captain before returning into a reservist to pursue her Juris Doctor degree at George Mason. The no-nonsense judge started serving as an assistant Commonwealth attorney in 2000 before entering private practice. In 2008, she made history by becoming the first female chief judge of the General District Court bench. The judge also serves as the key person behind Virginia's novel Veterans Treatment Docket, VTD, a specialty court helping veterans with no prior criminal history. VTD reportedly serves veterans who have committed a nonviolent misdemeanor and felony offenses and provides them with treatment and mentorship programs to reintegrate them into civilian life. Penny has had a long and established career where she has dealt with numerous notable cases. However, the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard defamation trial is likely her most high high-profile case to date. On the personal front, the judge is married to retired police officer Eddie Askerid, who currently serves as a security advisor for Secure Community Network. After the 6-week trial wrapped up, which surfaced much drama relenting to the tumultuous relationship between Depp and Amber, the jury ultimately found the paranoia actress defamed Depp by making what they found to be false domestic abuse claims she made against him to the press. On the other hand, the jury also found that Amber was defamed by one of Depp's lawyers falsely claiming she had staged a hoax for the press at one point. And that's it from us today. Do you think Judge Penny was fair in her verdict? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you more of such amazing content. So be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't get to miss any of them.